Hey babes, welcome back to the channel. So I'm back today with a new video, and in today's video I'm featuring WowAngel. Shout out to WowAngel for sponsoring today's video. Now let's jump into this look. So I know what you're thinking. WowAngel, it's not a wig. Yes, WowAngel has bulk hair, and today I will be trying their deep wave. I have the color number 27 and the color number 30. We're gonna do a mix, and I have 4 packs, which is 100 grams per pack. So I have 400 grams of hair. I used just a little less than the 4, so I used about 3.5. As you can see, I already started because the amount of hair that I was feeding in this process would have took a very long time to record on camera. So as you can see, I started in the nape area. I went for medium-sized braids, and what I'm going to show you in this video is how I feed in all these pieces of hair. So as you can see, I have my human hair sorted to the side of me in this video. I go ahead and I pre-separate that hair. That is going to help you save so much time. So I do use braid gel to help smooth out the blunt ends, and that does help me when I tuck those pieces of hair into the braid. So as you can see, one braid has quite a few pieces of hair. I braid about maybe 2 inches. Every 2 inches I will add in a piece of hair. So you're going to see me stop periodically through the video and add in a piece of hair, and I think I did about 8 pieces of hair per braid, and I do add curly hair to the bottom. So this is a super full look. This hair is absolutely gorgeous. I did not want to wet the hair at first because I was like, these curls, this wave pattern, it is very rare that I do deep wave and then after submerging it in hot water, it's still curly. This hair is still curly. Oh my God. You see how pretty it looks here? I was convinced that I was going to lose that curl pattern when I wet it, but I did not. So stay tuned for the end of the video if you want to see how these curls held up. So as far as the color, I am not feeding in these pieces in any particular order. I sorted a combination of 30 and 27, and I'm just grabbing as I go. So it's truly just a highlight look. I didn't try to do like just the lighter 27 on the top or 30 on the bottom. That is cute, but that's not what I was going for in this video. I just was feeding the pieces in as I go, in no particular order. So this hair is pretty inexpensive. I'm gonna see if I can pop up the screen recording here in the video so you can take a look for yourself. And I love the way this package came. It came in that cute WowAngel box. It says Celebrity Series. It says Celebrity Series on there, so you know you feel a little hype. And they gave such good goodies. Like the gifts in this were bomb. There's a melt band, and although it's not a wig, you can definitely use that melt band when it comes time to lay those baby hairs. So you can definitely use the free gifts that they give you, and I love those. So as you can see, I am moving along. I did not use any mousse in this hair. The only thing I put on the hair at the end is water. So I can't really speak to how it reacts with product, but I didn't need any product. Maybe after wearing it for a while to minimize the frizz. I'm going to try to rock these for like a week or so because it took so long, and if I need to update you guys, I'll just come back and update you in the comments or the description box. But I did not have to put any product on this hair. I also like that the hair seamlessly blended with my braiding hair. So I didn't tell you, but synthetic braiding hair is from Amazon, and it is a blend of 30, 27, and 33, which worked out really well because this is a mix of 27, 30. So you can't even really tell that there's any 33 in there. I think that just helped to balance the colors out, but look how this is coming together. So here I'm just moving up to the front. Now for the front, I noticed it just worked out that I ended up feeding more 27 pieces in the front. And as I said before, I didn't plan it. It just happened to be what was there when I was grabbing the hair. There was more 27 there. So it did work out nice because when I wear it down the middle, you see like a patch of 27. And then when I flip it over to do like a side part or a flip over, you see that 27 peek through, but that was not planned. That is just how it worked out. But so far, I'm loving this hair. I was really surprised that WowAngel had braiding hair because I've worked with them before and it was on a lace front wig. And when I tell you, baby, it was a little controversy in the comments, but that was one of the best wigs that I have ever reviewed. It was 32 inches, 250 density. It was a 13 by 6, I think, full parting frontal. So they're known to have really good wigs. But baby, they not playing. They are here in the braiding hair market and they are making a name for themselves because I haven't had hair like this. I'm trying to think because I've done so many braided looks, but I don't think I've had this kind of deep wave. Like, it's absolutely gorgeous. And I really do like it in the dry state. So I'm rambling right now, but I'm gonna let you guys watch me braid. I'm gonna play a little music, not too long. I'm gonna pop back up in a little bit because I want to talk to you about how this looks in the dry state. So I will be right back. So here we are getting to the end of the look, and I am obsessed. Ooh, I just wished it was like a little 613 in here because I'm starting to like that little pop of 613 in the braid. But I am loving the way this came out. Now I want you guys to take a look at what this looks like completely dry. Look at this. This is it looks like a deep wave wig. Look at it. So pretty. So I'm gonna have all the details down in the description box, like the length. And remember, I did use 2 colors. I was just adding a little leave-in, and this is what it looks like completely done. gorgeous. I used a little more than 3 packs, which is 300 grams, 300 plus. And this is what it looks like wet. So it's still pretty wet, but it's something about that dry look that just has me in a chokehold. So let me know what you guys think down below. I will leave all the details down below. Shout out to WowAngel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.